Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming back for another edition of the Free Exchange of Ideas. So, what I have for you today is mostly for my 2A friends. I'm hoping all of you are my Second Amendment friends, but just saying. So, I just heard that New Jersey's... is this going to fall over? Doesn't look right. Okay. So, New Jersey has just been told they can no longer do the righteous cause or whatever scheme they were using. It was basically the same thing. To keep someone from getting a concealed carry permit. I'm sorry, man. I'm kind of a little slow this morning. I apologize. So, for that judge to have said that, oh, now I've just told you where I work, but I don't work there anymore. So for the circuit judge there in that case to agree that New Jersey can't do that anymore, according to the Bruin decision from the Supreme Court, is a plus. We'll see if it has to, like California, New Jersey may very well take it up to their whatever court theirs is. Ours is Ninth Circuit. I think theirs is third or fourth. I'm not positive. So don't quote me on it. Might be second because I think they're in the same court system as New York. At any rate, so yeah, it's a good hearing. It's a good, solid answer to us, or for us as well. It's a great answer for us, actually, because the more judges that build on this and continue to work within Bruin and decide based on Bruin is a plus for us, because as we build more bricks in the wall that is the Second Amendment. You cannot infringe on the Second Amendment anymore. And I don't know I don't know if there's going to possibly be a way for a very liberal court, should it ever move that way, to remove that. I just don't know. Like they did with Roe v. Wade, can a liberal court do the same thing to NYSERPA versus Bruin? We'll see. That would hurt a lot of people. I don't think it'll actually occur, and the reason I'll tell you the reason I think it won't occur. And the reason I think it won't occur is because I think we'll be able to prove that a armed society is a polite society. You won't be able to walk into a school without, one or two teachers maybe having weapons to stop your little tirade and rant. You won't be able to just walk into a bar and kill people willy-nilly without getting 2 or 3 guns pointed right back at you. I don't own an AR, so that's not really one of my issues. I do want one, but I'm not going to buy one here in California until this is all settled, and I may not be here in California that long. So no matter where I go, that's going to be one of the things that I want. I want 3 of them, but I have my reasons, and they're all good hunting reasons. 1 is a protection, 2 are hunting. Doesn't really matter, my reason, because the 2A says shall not be infringed. So that's what I've got for you so far today. There have been a lot of other big movements in the 2A community. Here in California, Judge Benitez has received the first set of reasons why they believe, either side believes, that they are correct. State of California is absolutely insane in most of their arguments. It's actually very, very bad. I'm surprised they even bother to drop those, thinking they have to know who Judge Benitez is by this time. The fact that they just dropped what is really poor law on him, they have to be expecting we're just going to go to the Ninth Circuit and have it banged down again. And then I'm not sure what happens after that, to be perfectly honest, because the Supreme Court doesn't have a military or a LEO arm to enforce their decisions. If a court doesn't want to hear their decision or doesn't want to follow their decisions, I'm not sure how much the Supreme Court has weight to weigh in on specific judges that aren't following Bruin, or a whole court that isn't following Bruin. So we'll see. I would actually like to see what happens there. I wouldn't be happy about having to see it, but I'd like to see what the Supreme Court or what the law system can do to those, or will do to those judges. That could be another thing. If the Supreme Court doesn't have the wherewithal or the legal authority to tell them this judge is not following the law and he should be removed, or will be removed. If they don't have that weight, then the law society may not follow suit. I mean, they may just say, oh, no, they didn't do anything wrong, and that'll be it. And that'll be done. If the Supreme Court doesn't have the weight of law, then no court does, in my opinion. I think that's what it's going to come down to. At any rate, that's what I've got for you today. Thank you again for coming back for another edition of the Free Exchange of Ideas. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please also hit the notification bell so you get everything that we put out. We are trying to put out more. I'm trying to do a couple of things during the week. At least try to put out things 4 times a week. All right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday I'll probably take off to do editing or something, or I should. But there you go, okay? Let's see if there's anything else. Hit that like button. I think it's on this side. Probably on this side because I'm looking backwards. But you know what I mean. Do those things for me, for us. We would really love to grow this channel, and this is the only real way we can do that on YouTube. Also, we have a Facebook page, which is the Free Exchange of Ideas. Go there, see what we see what we think, see the pages that we follow there. Okay? Hey, thanks a lot again. Have a great day. See ya!